So the Friendship Bench is a visual reminder to students, wherever it's placed in schools across the country, to take a minute out of their day. Forget about their exams, forget about the stress, sit and talk to friends. Get away from your computers, get away from your phones. The idea is we're trying to inspire peer-to-peer conversations about mental health in hopes that students will make it okay for other students to not be okay and to eventually get the help that they need.
The significance and importance of having this bench at Aldershot, it really allows students to have a pathway and a voice so that they can connect to each other on a daily basis, and that they have the opportunity to have that area and special place where they can go and they can talk to someone about any of their problems, any of their issues, and they can be an open and safe environment.
The bench should be a symbol, just a symbol of talking to people and helping somebody else and listening. I think that was the message that we heard today from Mr. Fiorello, to be sure that you help somebody else as they move forward, because we all have feelings that we don't belong or we're anxious about something, and it's challenging. But to sit and talk to somebody, you can make a difference. You can help.
Yeah, well, Lucas is the inspiration for this entire program. Before we lost him to suicide, and what we learned about his plight over those years is that while he was secretly suffering, he was reaching out to others. And so that's what this bench is about. That's what Lucas's life was about. And we're hoping that that's going to inspire a lot more peer-to-peer conversations.